Hi children, what is the time now? When you do any activity from the morning, say like you're eating breakfast or you're waking up in the morning, you should be able to read the activity, tell the time. What is the time now? You should say, I'm eating breakfast at 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock, whatever. Good. What is the time now? It's a very interesting exercise that you are going to do. You're going to do the reading, looking at the picture, read the activity. Please tell me the time. Good. Here we are with a lovely, interesting exercise for you. Look at the picture. What do you see here? A little boy out of bed. Read the text for me. I get up from the bed. What is the little boy saying? I get up from the bed. At what time? What time of the day you get up from the bed? Yeah, he's willing to say. Read. 7 o'clock. Excellent. So you're learning to read the time. You're learning to read the activity. Reading is very important. The little boy says, I get up from the bed at 7 o'clock. Good. Let's look at the next activity in the morning. The little girl, what is she doing here? I brush my teeth. After you wake up, you brush your teeth, no? Yes. At what time? I brush my teeth at, read the time, tell me the time. At what time you brush the teeth? Good. 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth at 7 o'clock. Good. Lovely activity, isn't it? Cleaning your teeth at 7 o'clock. Now, let's look at the next activity. Look at the picture here. What's the little baby doing? The little child is taking a bath, cleaning himself or herself. I take a bath. At what part? What time of the day you take bath? I take a bath at 8 o'clock. Yes. I take a bath. Read the time. 8 o'clock. Good. You learn to read. You learn to read the time. You learn to read the text. I take a bath at 8 o'clock. Good. Let's go to the next activity in the morning. Sure. After bath, what do? You dress up. I dress up. Yes, after bath, you dress up. I dress up at what time? You should tell the time. 8 o'clock. I dress up at 8 o'clock. And you look so pretty. Good. Let's go to the next exercise. You are learning to read the text. You are learning to read the time. Very good. After you had bath and you dress up, what do? You eat something. You eat breakfast. Read with me. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. Good. You're learning to read the time, text. Read it again. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. Very good. Let's take the next exercise. Next activity for the day. Finish eating. Now you are off somewhere. We go to school. Take a bag and we go to school. At what time you go to school? At 9 o'clock. We go to school. Either you go to school with your parents or the van or whatever. We go to school at, read this, 9 o'clock. Very good. Next. You are at school. What do? We learn at school. We learn to read, write, do the sums, yes, do drawing, games. We learn. Learning means all kind. Either learning games or maths or drawing or writing or reading. We learn at school. At what time? Yes, 10 o'clock. By the time 10 o'clock we settle down, we learn at school at 10 o'clock. Very good. Learning to read time, learning to read the text. What is the next activity? And what time of the day? Look. The little child finish all the activities at the school. I come back home. I come back home at what time you come home? 4 o'clock. You're coming back home. I come back home at 4 o'clock. Good. Next, what is the next activity? What is the little one doing? Playing with the ball. I play in the evening. What do you do in the evening? I play in the evening. What part of the day? At 4 o'clock. Good. I play in the evening at 4 o'clock. Good. And the next activity? After playing, what do? I take a bath. Gone dirty, playing nicely in the dust. I take a bath, says the little boy. I take a bath. What time? 5 o'clock. You played nicely, come home. I take a bath at 5 o'clock. Good. What's the next activity for the day? Good. Look. Learning. I do my homework. Very proud. He's happy. What's he doing? I do my homework. At what time? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. I do my homework. Read this. 6 o'clock. I do my homework. Good. And then, what else you do? You must eat your dinner. Okay? I eat my dinner. At what time you eat your dinner? At 7 o'clock. Read this. 7 o'clock. I eat my dinner. Read again. 7 o'clock. I eat my dinner. Good. After eating, what's the next activity? Look. Everything is done. You pray, isn't it? I pray to God. At what time? I pray to God. At 8 o'clock, I pray to God. At what time you pray to God? 8 o'clock, I pray to God. Good. 8 o'clock, I pray to God. And then, finally, look. I go to bed. At what time? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, I go to bed. Read again this. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, I go to bed. Good. So you learn to read the time, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, I go to bed. Good.